Would you like to know how much a particular accommodation on Booking would be in the currency you're interested in without using a calculator? Now I will show you how you can change the default currency on the Booking app. Let's get started. I have already opened Booking and now I will access my profile. Now, I select the settings option located a bit lower. To change the currency, use the currency option. Click on it. As you can see, there are suggested currencies, and by scrolling down, you will see all available currencies. I will choose Euro as the desired currency. Now, I will search for accommodation in Belgrade and click on Search. As you can see, the accommodation prices are displayed in euros as I wanted. If you found the video helpful, support us by liking and subscribing to our channel.